Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivan, and today's video I'm just gonna show you another unboxing of my graphics card. It is the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, and I'm going to install it to my gaming build. Also, I will post another video for benchmarking this graphics card, so it should be running at least 60 frames per second on some games. Well, once again, thank you for watching, and if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and you have a good day. Let's see what we have in here. Ti. So I want to unbox every single videos that I have. Where's the thing here? It's kind of weird, but ah, there we go. So let's see. Sure. Nice. Alright. Oh. So first one first. We have the installation disk. I mean, who needs this? Anyway, you can just download it on the website, and you get the instructional manual. Go. Gonna put that on the side, and we're gonna open this glorious 1050 Ti. Alright. Nothing so fancy, it's just the actual product itself, and it doesn't have any backboard plating, so it's kind of plastic. It's all plastic. This should be good for 1080p gaming. And in the back you get the VGA. So what is this? Yeah, you got one HDMI and one display port. So in comparison, this is the CD, and that's how big it is. It's not so, it's pretty small, so it's good for ITX build. All right.